guys want me and my mom to make this delicious arrow for you and you want to watch it and learn it, then stay tuned. Good morning, my brothers and sisters. I'm here today with the Beyonce and Shakira Heart YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video with them to show them how to prepare arrow. Arrow, that is an African's delicious meal. So guys, I'm going to show you the ingredients of what I'm going to be using for the arrow. As you can see, we need skin cow, and that is our meat, cow meat. You can use any meat of your choice if you want. And that is our pepper. I'm going to use not this one, or I can use 3 or 2, and you can still prepare it without this. But being an African woman or an African person, we can eat arrow without pepper if you want to enjoy it. So this is our palm oil, and that is our dry fish. And also we have our crayfish there, and that is human spinach. Spinach is like, I'm going to use this to replace our normal water leaf, what we use back in our country, and that is our ever so called arrow. That's how it looks like. This is fresh arrow. How I keep my fresh arrow is I have to put it in the freezer, so it's just coming out from the freezer. You can see how green it is. And don't forget, what I'm going to do next is I will have to like spice up my meat a little bit, like 10 minutes, and later on I have to like bake it in an oven for about 10 minutes because I don't like eating fresh meat, but you can still do it fresh normally without baking it, so it's your choice. So guys, just watch with us how we're gonna do this and how we're gonna prepare this food. These are the steps. I finished baking my meat, as you can see how it is now. That's how I try to bake it in the oven to make it dry. And I cooked my skin cow. Yeah, that's how the skin cow looks like. The next is I'm going to show you is I've also fixed my fish, and I'm going to put it and remove all the bones. And I've washed my arrow. That's the first step. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the spinach. That's the human spinach. Normally it's supposed to be water leaf, like a vegetable. So first I'm going to parboil my water leaf a little bit for the water to dry it off. When the water is a little bit dry off, I'm going to put my dry fish in the pot and leave it for about 2 minutes. So wash it as I do. So guys, as you can see, that is my water leaf, and I've already put my fish in it. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'll be putting my pepper already grind in the pot to pour it inside the pot. And I make sure I also put some cubes of Maggi. I'm going to be using 2. Put my meat and the skin cow. That's how it looks. See, arrow needs a lot of oil in it. But not the least, I've put now my crayfish, so it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit those notification bell. Thank you. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you get a good dinner, and I hope you enjoyed it again and again and again and a million times again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit those notification bells down below. And happy Christmas and happy 30th Advent. Let me just go and eat this delicious arrow now. Bye bye.